Again, so please let's minimize our movements and busyness during the film showing. So if you guys want to leave, please leave now. Let's avoid moving around during the film. Next to present their film, Janet.
Alright. Hello everyone. Wait. Masyado mataas. Kanina to. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I am Gian Villago, the director, writer, producer, and editor. Allow me to speak a little longer kasi ang tagal ko rin naman hinintay yung moment na to. Sobra. So, ayan, I hope you're enjoying our films kasi pinaghirapan talaga namin yan and it's a journey for all of us. So, now that it's my turn, good afternoon everyone. Ayan, allow me to thank my parents, Mommy, Daddy, whose support and love is always with me. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. I love you so much. And to my family, Ate, Lance, ayan. Nanay, I love you all. Kuya, and I love you all. And to my friends, ayan, iba-iba na sila ng batch. May 119, 121, 123. Ayan, 6 years na po ako dito, hindi lang halata. And syempre to my team, ang dami po namin this term, grabe. Agawa po talaga ng crew, so maraming salamat sa team ko for saying yes sa akin kahit na ang dami namin nag-aagawan for crew. So shout out also to my actors na nandito, ayan. And to Arrowhead, thank you. To my mentors, Sir Alec, Sir Wando na rin, at saka si Sir Iro, syempre. Hello, shout out kay Sir Iro. Grabe, sobrang inugamo ko Sir Iro, pero I know it's for the best. So I trust you and I'm so grateful that you're my mentor. Thank you so much. So, yeah. This film is for the people who love watching comfort films. I hope it comforts and entertains you. This is for the people who have big dreams. We may not be there yet, but believe that you'll be there. This film is for the people who doubted themselves and felt stuck in their paths. Know that it's part of the process. I thought I won't be here, but here I am. And after all the snakes and ladders, after all the dice I have rolled, after 6 years, fuck, gagraduate na ako. To the esteemed panelists, and to everyone, I am very excited to present to you a work full of love, passion, full of stress and frustrations, but full of happiness, enjoyment, and learnings. This film is full of people's hard work, whose younger self is always with them, clapping and proud of what they have become, yet. Everyone, together with my team, we present to you my thesis film, Snakes and Ladders! Thank you everyone, thank you. Congrats, congrats!
24? 24 ba? Oh my gosh. Dahil mo na achievements. For sure, proud na proud ka si Paris. Ano pa sasabi mo sa mga fans mo?
Wala ako dito kung wala kayo. So, this award is not only mine, but yours too. So, thank you.
Manang, pa-open nga ng gate.
Say na show.
Ay, ano na? Oh, sorry, nalito ko sa akin kasi.
Ate Biaks.
Ate Biaks.
Why? Dapat na dito na eh. Kasi I'm 24 and you're 28, right?
28, right?
Anyway, late na tayo. So, ito na nga. We need to do our best because may kukunin si brand na influencers na ipapadala at magre-represent ng brand sa Japan! This is it, Bianx!
Finally.
Baka ito na yung matagal kong hinihintay na moment.
Bianca Mercedes, isa sa mga bagong brand ambassador ng Style Corporation. Maganda, magaling!
And after how many long years, mawawala na siya sa kalendaryo. And then, anyway, Jill. So, for our first deliverable, we need to come up with a teaser photo for a TikTok post. Approval and deadline is at 9 a.m. and the time of posting is at 10 a.m. So, without further ado, let's start.
Nanay mo ba nag-picture yan?
Bilis kaya ng oras. Tsaka marami akong sinend. Kaso yun lang in-approve.
Nanay niyo ba yan? Okay, back to work.
Okay, for deliverable number 2. we need to create a creative post revealing the brand. Oh my god, this is my fucking time! Deadline is at 5 p.m. and post should be at 6 p.m. Let's fucking do this.
The fuck? Sarah, saglit lang.
Yanks, do you need help?
No na. Pahinga na lang kayo. I'm sure pagod na kayo.
Sure ka, ha? 4:30 p.m. na. Magagalit sa'yo si client niya.
Anong kaso mo, te?
Murder case. Gusto mo?
Well, I guess bad publicity is still a publicity. Yanks, eat ka muna. Okay, for our last deliverable, we need to create a promotional video that best explains the tagline of the brand. Climb high, slide fast, and enjoy the game. So far, we still have 3 days left. Pero Jill, hindi ka na ba talaga free?
Sorry, girl. Tonight lang talaga pwede.
Okay, so we only have the night. Yeah, let's make this work. Okay. Kunwari, naglalaro tayo. Ganun lang. Yes?
Yeah, sa'yo mo yung
Huh?
Sa'yo mo na nakatapat. Okay? Ready? 10 seconds timer. 10, 9, 8.
Bianx, roll the dice.
Ay, sorry.
Bianca na yun?
Guys?
Hindi, ba't ganun lang yung reaction mo?
Ang unti yung usap ko.
Mag-point siya.
No, kunwari natutuwa ka, naglalaro tayo eh.
Okay, Nicolette.
Isa pa.
Winner!
Cut! Ano yun? Why are you so happy as stakes ka nga tumapat?
Eh di ba sabi mo na tutuwa ako?
No! Common sense naman, Bianx!
You know what, guys? Let's just spice things up. Kunyari tumatawa tayo. It's better. Game. Ready again? 10 seconds again. Okay. Ready na kayo? 10, 8,
Bianx, kung game to, matagal ka ng game over.
Bakit kita kukunin?
After all these years, anong narating mo?
Wala. Nandyan ka pa rin.
All this time, akala mo magaling ka, well maybe you're not good enough. Sa tingin mo, Bianca, ano kaya sasabihin ng younger self mo sa'yo?
Hindi mo proud siya sa'yo?
Sagot, Bianca. Bianca! What's happening?
Sorry. Hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na talaga alam.
Kanina lang excited tayo. Kanina lang motivated tayo. Sabi mo pa, finally. Asan yun?
Kasi kanina akala ko kaya ko. Akala ko magaling na ako tulad niyo. Pero ang dami ko pa palang hindi alam.
Well, totoo. I'm sure, kinuha ka nila because they see something in you. Magaling ka naman eh.
Anong magaling? Simpleng tas ang dami ko hindi nagagawa. Kaya siguro kayo, ang dami nang marating ako, andito pa din.
Saan? Bianx, andito ka na, oh. You know what? Kung palagi mong iisipin yung mga narating ng ibang tao, ganyan magiging tingin mo sa mga narating mo. Ano bang mga narating mo, Bianx?
Ano nga ba? Puro ka-okay yan lang naman.
Okay ka naman talaga eh. But that's you.
Nakakahiya! Ay, itong ilang cringe! Ang cringe! Ano naman kung cringe? Yung video mo kaya i-play natin, wag yung akin.
I mean, oo, cringe siya. Oo, okay siya. Pero masaya siya, Bianx.
Sa bagay. Anong gagawin? Uy!
Gagalingan ko pa talaga. Ako pa ba?
Jan and